Let me have my coffee.
You better stop. Wait! You better stop it.
Do not take me back to where I came from.
Take this thing to the guard room and lock her up until she's ready to speak.
You wanted the best of life. You wanted everything good. You went for him. You pushed me into this, Mama. Now you're telling me that I have disappointed you. No, Mama, you disappointed yourself.
The whole community is burning, and I hope it makes you happy. I don't care. I don't. I have told the truth, and I'm ready to tell more.
Pampa me.
Say Pampa you. Fella man.
Everything that I need, I get everything that I want, but I'm only fair for the love.
I want you to release my son before the end of today.
Else, I did not soil my hands to make money. But I will soil my hands in making your life miserable if you ever dare cross my path.
The next time you stop me on the way to talk to me, I swear I'm going to break your head with something. Do you understand me?
Hey.
A kingdom peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom.
Of what use is for me getting into a marriage that would not last?
Stop!
I swear by the gods of this land, I will kill anyone, whoever comes closer to my son.
If after 24 hours and my son is not being released, I'm going to burn down the palace.
Over my dead body will that happen?
So you don't know that what he said is capable of causing division in Omonanko?
Now are you ready to sign it? I'm asking you for the last time. If I send it to wherever you belong.
My prince!